Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about potholes on the Jamaican roads. Now, we had mentioned, I don't think we had did a video, but we had mentioned in a video that the roads that were built by China Harbour Engineering Company did not get any damage from the rain that fell the other day, while some other roads have so many potholes on them now. And a lot of people commented that the highways are new, so you wouldn't expect them to have any potholes on them. So we're going to go, we are on Washington Boulevard now, but we're going on to Mandela Highway, which was built years ago by China Harbour Engineering Company. And we're going to show you that it's not because the new road is new, but it's because of the way that the Chinese build the roads, that they don't have any potholes when the same amount of rain fell on this road that fell on all the other roads done by local contractors. So this is now Mandela Highway, and as you can see for yourself, there are no potholes on this road. Now, it doesn't have anything to do with duty concession or money. It's just the way the work is done. And it's the same thing for Constant Spring Road, Barbican Road, Hagley Park Road. These roads don't have potholes. When the rain falls, I don't know if it's the drainage or what, but these roads that are done by CHEC, they don't have much road damage and none from the rain causing potholes. So I'm not sure, but I'm just pointing it out to you guys that these roads have no potholes. And this road, Mandela Highway, is the busiest road in Jamaica, without a question. This one is the busiest road. It takes you out of the city of Kingston to Portmore and Spanish Town, where you find the largest populations outside of the city of Kingston. Probably half of Jamaica lives between the city of Kingston, Portmore, and Spanish Town, maybe even more. It's the three most populated areas in Jamaica, and with the city of Kingston having a third of Jamaica's population, this is the busiest road. And there is not one pothole on it. Not one. So it's not just it's a case where the road is not being used. This road, look at the big truck in front of us. Every truck leaving the city of Kingston, every bus uses this road. I think it's how you build the road and who builds the road. See for yourself, guys, not one pothole. Now, this road also takes you to the two major highways in Jamaica. On the left, that's the road you take to go to Mandeville, basically, the east-west leg of Highway 2000. And further down on the right, you have the north-south leg of Highway 2000 that takes you to Ocho Rios. Now, the section of this road that China Harbour Engineering Company did ends at the stoplight. After the stoplight, that section of the road has not been renovated yet. But it's something to think about. And we're going to tour all the roads we mentioned. So this section has not been renovated yet, no. Hagley Park Road, Barbican Road, Constant Spring Road, all these roads that were recently upgraded. When I say recently, this is before COVID. So we're going to turn off now and head into Portmore, because a lot of road work is being done or scheduled to be done in Portmore. Now there is a plan to renovate this section of the road to the end of the road, but that project hasn't started yet, and we can just assume that it's China Harbour Engineering Company that will get the contract. Assuming this is the Aki village.